Is your push notification not showing up on your Samsung phone's lock screen? This usually happens because of notification settings, do not disturb mode, or battery optimization blocking alerts. Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the push notification issue on your device. So let's get started right away. Solution 1. Turn on transcoding notifications. First, open up the settings. Scroll down to the bottom. Now tap on Developer Options. Make sure to turn on the Developer Options. Then scroll down. Find out Media Transcoding Settings. Tap on it. Then toggle on the Show Transcoding Notifications. Solution 2. Change the notifications pop-up style. Go to the settings. Then tap on Notifications. Now tap on the Notification pop-up style. After that, make sure to select Brief. From here, toggle on the Show Even While Screen is Off option. After that, go ahead and check whether your issue is solved or not. If not, Solution 3. Turn on and off the lock screen notification option. Go back to the settings again, then tap on the notifications again. Now tap lock screen notifications. If you see toggled it on before, then simply turn it off and turn it back again. Now tap on notifications to show. Ensure to select alert and silent notifications. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Go to the settings again, then scroll down, tap General Management, scroll down again, then tap Reset, scroll down, now tap Reset all settings, then tap Reset settings, again tap Reset. Wait for a while. I hope that fixed the issue. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.